I wanted to make a contribution to mankind. My mother used to think I was being utterly naive, and I would say these things to her as a child, but that's what I wanted to do. When I went to university initially here at Dalhousie, one was able to take both arts and science courses, and I absolutely adored the theatre, and I adored painting, but I also loved science, and I realized that I could always, I thought, read the books and go to see the painting, but I couldn't do the science unless I really understood it. I could do research on some aspect of science which nobody else in the world had ever done before. I was lucky. I chose this amazingly exciting field of cell biology. I was a woman at a time when not that many women were going into science seriously. And when I was doing my postdoctoral work, I was always considered to be the technician or the secretary, and nobody was prepared to accept that I was a postdoc in the lab. Now, times happily have changed a great deal, but there still is a lot to be done to make sure there aren't any barriers to women who want to become scientists or engineers. Biological structures are exquisitely beautiful. They're like nothing on earth, really. They're sort of a wonderful cross between a painting and a sculptural object. You're revealing a beauty which only a tiny fraction of our world will ever see. And that's one of the reasons why I'm quite keen to try and show them to people and use them, actually, as exhibitions and so on in public places. I've been particularly interested in the ways that the cells of invertebrates interact with each other. I've always loved invertebrates. I love dissecting them and investigating them. So I've studied many invertebrates, and I've looked to see how they hold themselves together, and I discovered that they have a blood-brain barrier just as we do, which nobody had known about before. There's always something yet smaller or yet more complex. You never feel you've got to the end of the road. I don't think I've finished. I feel there's still much to be done.